To change the transmission fluid on your General XP 1000, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park. Place a drain pan underneath the transmission. Tip: place a rag in the bottom of the drain pan to prevent the splashing of oil. Clean the area around the fill plug. Remove the transmission fill plug and set aside. Clean the area around the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Fill the gear case through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Reinstall the transmission fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off of the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Dispose of the used fluid properly. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.